Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to get Cash App Clone on Android. If you want to run two Cash App accounts on the same Android device, you can use the Two Accounts app that helps you clone your Cash App and log in with a second account on the same phone. First thing first, go to the Play Store and search for Two Accounts. Install the app, then launch it. Now it will show a list of apps that you can clone. Scroll through the installed apps and tap Cash App to clone it. Now Two Accounts will create a duplicate Cash App icon inside the Two Accounts environment. Now you'll see two versions of Cash App on your phone, the original one and the cloned one. Now open the cloned Cash App and sign in with your second Cash App account credentials. Just know that you can only run one account per app instance. So cloning is the only way to use two accounts at once on one device. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.